Control and wait for our control to start up. Usually takes about a minute to load everything. Load all your parameters. Okay, you're going to get a whole bunch of alarms and everything. That's because we haven't done anything. So we want to have E-stop. We want to reset the E-stop. Our AKS adjust we want off. Our working mode we want on auto. Reset the front side. So the front side is for our doors, for our safety curtains. And then also when you reset your front side, it gets rid of a bunch of errors and you have an overrun test. It starts flashing. Now we want to turn on our hydraulics. Hydraulics get a solid green light and we go ahead and push the start button on the controller. We have to be a manual and start button on the controller. Your back gauge goes back, finds its home position. The ram goes to the top, calibrates at the home position. Once your fingers come in, then your machine is ready to do our overrun test. That is our safety stop. So the way to clear that out is you push and hold the pedal. Your ram's going to come down, stop fast. It's going to hang there for a couple seconds and then go back up. And now all this time we want to keep holding onto the pedal until it goes back up. And remove my blocks. Okay, now my blocks are out of the way, now I can do my test overrun. Comes down, hits, goes back up, and I can release the pedal. Now my test overrun is a solid green light. That means my safety for my finger protection is good. And now we're ready to run the product.